Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about list in HTML. So this video is about how to create unordered list in HTML. Now let's learn about list handling. While presenting information, sometimes we need to list different individual entities. Instead of writing such entities in continuous paragraph form, these individual items are presented as list with or without numbers. By presenting the entities in such way increases clarity in presentation. There are three types of list in HTML. The first one is unordered list that we are going to learn here in this video, ordered list and description list. Now let's create an unordered list. So for that, open Notepad, type HTML head and title section, and then open body section. Now in body section, first of all we are using font tag and giving color as aqua. So we are giving list heading a different color than normal text. Now H1 tag so that heading is shown bigger than normal text, and heading that we are going to give is unordered list. Then close H1 tag after typing heading. Now next, close font tag since we do not want this color to be applied to our list items. So for unordered list there is UL tag that stands for unordered list. Now for all items in the list we use li tag. So li, then type the first list item here, that is chocolates, and then close li tag. Now open one new li for the next item in the list and continue the same procedure for all list items. Now we are making all these list items in bold. So after UL we are using B tag and closing it after the last list item, so that all list items will be displayed in bold. Now close UL tag, close body and close HTML tag. Now save the file, give an appropriate name. First of all we are selecting location, then giving appropriate name to this file, that is list.html. Click on save button. Now let's see output of the file. Go to the location where we have saved this file, double click on that file, and you can see, now you can see output of the file in browser. Now I am zooming in this browser window so that we can see it clearly. Now you can see the bullets. These bullets are called disk. So by default disk bullets are given to unordered list. Now let's see which kind of bullets are available in unordered list. So here we have disk, square and circle three different kinds of bullets. You can see the image of disc, square and circle here. So when we use these three kinds, we will get bullets in this order. Now let's apply different kinds of bullets in unordered list. So for that, let's copy paste earlier created list 2 more times, so that we will only change type of bullet next to unordered lists. So now same list is available 3 times here in the notepad. Go to UL tag of first list. After leaving one space after UL, type is equal to circle. So now we have applied circle bullets to the first list. Now in second list, type is equal to square. So second list will get square type of bullets. Now in third, type circle. So the third list will get circle type of bullets, but since we have already given type circle in first list, now we are going to change here type is equal to disc. Save the file. Now these changes are saved in the list.html file. Now it's time to see the output of whatever changes we have made. Again, go to that browser window that is already open, click on reload button or press F5 button to refresh the page. Now you can see that three different kinds of bullets are applied to a list. So the first one is disc, second one is square, and the last one is circle. Now you can see that all these three types of bullets are applied to our three lists.